Unlocking the secrets of due diligence reports. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic that often comes up in business and legal conversations: due diligence reports. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone stepping into the professional world, and today, we're going to break it down in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Let's unravel the mystery behind due diligence reports and why they are so important. First things first, let's understand what due diligence means. Due diligence is a comprehensive appraisal or investigation of a business or person prior to signing a contract, or an act with a certain standard of care. It can be considered as doing your homework before making a major decision. This process is designed to prevent unnecessary harm to either party involved in a transaction. Now, onto the star of our show, the Due Diligence Report. This report is the culmination of the due diligence process. It's a document that provides an in-depth analysis and review of a company's operations, financial performance, legal compliance, and other critical areas. Think of it as a report card that shows how healthy a business is before you decide to invest, partner, or buy it. You might be wondering, why go through all this trouble? The answer is simple but crucial. Due diligence reports help identify potential risks and liabilities, ensure legal compliance, and verify financial statements. In essence, they provide a safety net, ensuring that you're making a well-informed decision. Whether you're a business owner, investor, or a professional in any field, understanding these reports can save you from future headaches and financial losses. Let's break down what you can typically find in a due diligence report. Business description: a detailed overview of the company, including its history, operations, and market position. Financial analysis: an examination of the company's financial statements, revenue, debt, and profitability. Legal compliance: information on any legal obligations, ongoing or potential lawsuits, and compliance with local and international laws. Operational review: an evaluation of the company's internal processes, IT systems, and human resources. Market analysis: insights into the industry, competitors, and market trends that could affect the business. And that's a wrap on due diligence reports. Remember, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned investor, or just curious about the business world, understanding due diligence reports is key to making informed decisions. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and helps you navigate your professional journey with confidence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.